everyone. Today, Class 9C is presenting a video on our combined efforts during lockdown. We are learning and expanding our knowledge not only through online teaching and books but hands-on activities. So let's see how some of us are learning and improving ourselves at home during this period.
The world has changed and never gonna be the same. So let us make an effort together to turn this time into an opportunity of learning and doing. So here are some different activities.
Everyone, so today we will learn that how can we clean our hands properly. Come on. First of all, we have to wet our hands using running water. Then we have to take the soap according to our hand surface that it covers all the hand surface properly. Then what we have to do is turn your hands repeatedly so that the soap spread over. Then turn off the knob and wash your hands for at least 5 seconds. After you feel that your hands are washed properly, take a single time use napkin or tissue paper to dry your hands and then throw it into dustbin. Thank you so much.
On behalf of my classmates, I would like to extend my gratitude for school and teachers for encouraging us a bit extra than our efforts. We strongly believe in strength of unity and we are moving in the direction of the dream to dare and learning even during these crucial hours when the world is fighting with pandemic. We are building strong bonds build hope for bright future. Thank you.